Hello and welcome. Okay, this is going to be a recap and a follow-up from the first basic and easy tutorial. This is going to be a little bit more of a detail, and we're going to cover the bury, the dig, and the swap a little bit slower on this tutorial. So pay close attention. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. My name is Adam Shelton, and so thank you for watching today. Let's go ahead and dive in right now. Now, the first thing I would do, make sure you're on a desktop computer, Google Chrome, make sure you're there. And make sure you have your mobile device handy with you because you're going to need this when you're going ahead and activating the entire ShibaSwap ecosystem. It's very handy. Then, you see this Use ShibaSwap? Click there. Now, before you do that as well, make sure if you use a MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or the Wallet Connect, make sure you already logged in already. Just make sure, I'm telling you, make sure you're already logged in and you can see it. So I'm using Coinbase wallet. So I'm gonna go ahead and making sure I'm already connected. So I'm already connected. That's my Coinbase wallet. Coinbase wallet right there, just to show you. So now I'm in sync with this, okay? So I've got it right here, and now all I have to do is click on connect. When I connect there, connect wallet, it says try again. Okay, let me just try again. Okay, I'm already connected. I was already connected on another browser. Make sure I was already connected on another browser. So if I click here, it shows everything there. But let me show you something. I can change it. See, I can change it. I can go right to MetaMask. Now, if you're using MetaMask, I've been asked this question. Make sure you logged in already on your mobile device. Make sure you see it. Make sure you can actually see ShibaSwap, the information that's there. Make sure you connect it. Then if you do MetaMask, you just click there. And what's going to happen, it's going to redirect me to a page connecting me to the MetaMask. And it also says easy to use browser extension. You can click there and it will go there as well. So it's actually loading up very slowly, a little slowly. So let me go ahead and try that again. I'll change this. I can wallet connect. Wallet connect is not on. Let me see. If I change this, MetaMask, wallet connect. MetaMask is loading up. We're not going to go further to the MetaMask right now. We'll do this in another tutorial, just MetaMask only. But we already connected with our Coinbase wallet, and this is all the transactions right there. You see the transaction, I can clear them. I can actually click on one of them, and it's going to redirect me to the Etherscan, and I can look at my data. I can look at it. I can look at my timestamp. I can look at the status. Very simple and very, very easy. Now, change this. Okay, I can always go back to this as well, but we already connected to the Coinbase wallet. So the next thing I was asked was, what is dig, bury, swap, staking, and all that? So very slowly. Now, the first thing we're going to do is bury. Now, bury and staking is literally the same exact thing. Now, when you want to bury, the reason why you want to bury, because you want to earn gains, earn rewards. And that's how you stake it. That's why you stake this. Now, coming soon, you're going to see the APY on your SHIB, leash, and bone. You're going to see that much later on. And also, if you want to know more information about what burying tokens are, click read more and look at the information here. Read this information. It tells you a little bit more about what the whole process is, a little bit more of a summary. So read this very slowly, okay? So this tells you a little bit more about the burying process. I like to bury because I want to earn rewards. I want to earn more of that. So I bury this to do this. And one thing I want to show you before I even move forward to the bury process is this right here. Shout out to 𝐕𝐞𝐫𝐲 or Zoe. And this is kind of like the process of bury, dig, rewards. Now we're going to bury. We have the bury part here. So bury, see the SHIB, bury stake, and here's kind of like the bury, kind of like the emblem with the 𝐿. You earn bone plus SHIB plus Ethereum. Look at that. You see that? So if I'm burying my SHIB, I have an opportunity to earn Bone plus SHIB plus Ethereum. And if I zoom in just a little bit, it says 3% of all Bone per block. And it also says part of 0.05% swap fees and SHIB, and then 0.1% all swap Ethereum transaction fees. So it's always going to be fees anytime you're doing any type of, moving and transferring and unstaking. There's going to be fees. That's why I make sure I would prefer Coinbase Wallet, because Coinbase Wallet is connected to Coinbase and it's very easy to purchase Ethereum. And I'll show you that real quick. So if I go to my Coinbase Wallet, I can click on, look at this, Ethereum, and then right here, I'll go, all right, let me go at the top, buy transfer. See that buy transfer? And I can go ahead and buy Ethereum just like this. Buy transfer, and it's right there. Boom. See that? All I got to do is add in the actually dollar amount. So that's why you want to have this handy. I like Coinbase Wallet. I prefer that. I do like MetaMask and the Wallet Connect, but I'm more of a Coinbase Wallet kind of person, so I prefer that. But the other two works very well as well. Now this is just the actually process. You got Bone, so you can stake your Bone, earn more Bone. Stake your leash, earn Bone and leash. I just wanted to show you that before we proceed. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and bury, and hold on here, collect that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and bury. Now at the top here, before we go there, here is the current pricing: SHIB, leash, and Bone. That's the current pricing at the recording of this video. Now when you log in and maybe watch the replay or watch this video a week later, that pricing more than likely is gonna change, just to let you know. So let's go ahead and bury some SHIB. All right, so right now, we're looking to bury just a little SHIB, just to kind of get, just to get a little bit more SHIB burn. So I'm gonna do 50% of the SHIB. Remember, I want to bury this and stake this to earn more tokens. And also look at this. You'll earn this. All this would happen in about 10 days, in a week. All this down here will be unlocked, and you'll see this information just like it says in 10 days. So let's do 50% of what we currently have. So I'm going to go ahead and stake that. Click on stake. At the top here, it says confirm on phone, which meaning it's alerting my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And I'm going to log in. And so one thing that I did, I already loaded in about $100 worth of Ethereum, because I knew I was going to do some transactions. I was already thinking ahead. So think ahead. So maybe go ahead and log into your MetaMask or your Coinbase wallet. Already make sure you got Ethereum already there and ready to go. So then it's saying a $4.80 miner fee. And a lot of times what I've noticed, the fees are a little bit less late at night or early in the morning. Just a little quick bonus there for you. So I'm going to confirm, and then I got to put my PIN number in. So I can put my PIN number. After I confirm my PIN number, right now it's loading. And so at the top here, it says pending. So right now it's basically transferring over. So they're taking out my Ethereum that I just did. They're getting ready to. And right now it's pending. We're going to stake 50% of what we had already loaded in with our Coinbase wallet, connecting with ShibaSwap. Right now, okay. So voila, it's already did it. Transactions already done. And if I look at here, excuse me, they've already took out. Yep, they already took out. See the Shiba? Now your Shiba and all that stuff still stays in your phone. I still have Shiba still left on my Coinbase wallet. Now you see a emblem called the Shiba Stake. That's on your phone as well. The Shiba Stake, you're going to see that on there as well. You do see that. You see that as well. Now to double check to make sure the transaction went through, because it only took one time on this. Sometimes it may take 2 times. I click here and I'll go to my last one. It says approve down here. And in approve, it says success. You can double check it. My SHIB is already completed. So it's already done. I have this many tokens left. This many tokens left. I think it's like 50. How much is that? Like a little bit over 500 million tokens left to do things with. And this is my total value. And this is how much is being buried, which is staking. So that's how bury works. Make sure you take it really slow and very easy. I'll do another video of how to unstake it versus stake. We'll do that in the future video. So that's the burying part. And then also you see it right here as well. You see it right here. Make sure total buried, this number was different. Now it's actually increased because we moved over where we're staking more into there as well. All right. So the next part here we're going to cover, because remember we have the SHIB here, so we're doing the bury part. The next part we're going to cover is going to be the digging part. The digging part. Now the digging part here, you pair things together. So the SHIB and Ethereum, you pair two assets together, and to be able to earn, you get this emblem that's on your mobile device that shows up on here. You get a chance to earn Bone plus SHIB plus Ethereum. Now, I like the digging part because it gives you an opportunity. It puts you in a pool. It gives you even more rewards. Give you a chance to earn Bone, which is basically one of the main things I wanted to do, is earn more Bone, then eventually start earning some of these other assets that you see on here as well. So this is actually the layout, which shout out to 𝐕𝒆𝒊𝒄𝒌. Man, this was really good. And I can zoom in a little bit to show you. SHIB, leash, bone under bury, and dig are flexible. Rewards 33% available, plus a 67% locked over 6 months. So definitely watch out for that as well. So things are locked in 6 months, which is actually not too bad. So let me go to the digging part. Now digging, the reason why you want to dig is because you're trying to get bones. You're trying to get more rewards. You're trying to get more assets. And remember, Bone right now is worth $14 at the recording of this video. So if I click on provide liquidity, I already have a pairing already. I already created a pairing already. And if I click on manage, I can see exactly what's happening. Your total pool tokens, so I have 263. And let me show you real quick as well. It's also on my mobile device. So in my Coinbase wallet. So if I go to the Shibswap LP, is right there, 263. I don't know if you can see that. 263. You see that 263 Shibswap LP. So you see that there. So to make sure it's all connected, make sure you can see it here and you can see it there. That's very, very important. So it also says the pool SHIB and the pool Ethereum. So this is what's in the pool, and then my pool share percentage. Now what you can do, I can add more into the current pool that is already created. I can go ahead and add things in here. So if I want to earn more, if I want to add more here, I can go ahead and do this. Or what I can do, if I go back to it, manage, I can remove it, completely remove this off a pairing. So I can do either one, add or remove. So if I want to add more to my total pool tokens, I can do that by adding more. Now, if I want to start completely over another pool, create another pooling, just click on this add liquidity. You know, so I can do this. And how you do that is basically what it says. Ethereum, make sure you have some Ethereum. And then you want to come here, an example, let's go to SHIB, because we're trying to pair SHIB and Ethereum together. Just like it says right here. I'm just going to go over this example because it seemed like the most easier one. So if I go here, SHIB, let's say if I do maximum, and then maximum here. Okay, so significant, so I have to adjust that. Okay, so this is what would happen if I click on supply. this is how many I'll get into that pool. So I'm creating a whole completely different pool. And the reason why I want to do that is because I want to earn Bone, which is worth $14, which I believe Bone's gonna be worth much more than $14. And I'm trying to earn more SHIB, and I'm trying to earn more Ethereum. So I'm trying to earn more. That's the reason why you dig. You're digging for Bone. You're digging for treasure. You know what? Digging for information. So you always want to dig. Put something in there to dig and just leave it there and see what happens. Absolutely. So I can add that. I can click on supply, and I can add this in here, and it shows you what's been deposited and what's been deposited from Ethereum and SHIB. Here's the rates and the share of pool. Very simple, very easy. This basically what you need to just pay attention to is this number right here, pretty much. That's how many pool tokens that's just going to go inside the pool to give you the opportunity to earn more Bone and more SHIB. And click on supply. That's all you do. Now I'm going to go back here. And the same thing, let me go back. And the same thing, if I was trying to add Bone in Ethereum, I do the same exact thing. I'll just find a Bone, you know, but we're just gonna stick with SHIB and Ethereum. Same thing with leasing Ethereum. You do the same steps that I just showed you there. Okay, so that's how you dig. You dig? So this should be fun. This is fun. And then the last thing, I wanna go really slow and very easy in this more of a, it's a basic tutorial, but it's a little bit more, you know, explaining what these things are step by step. Swapping. I love the swap feature in here. It's because I can tie in my Coinbase wallet or my MetaMask, and I can swap anything that's in my actually Coinbase wallet to Bone, SHIB. I love that, and I'll show you that here. So that means I can swap for other tokens. You know, it just makes it really fun. Prime example. Now remember, make sure you logged into your Coinbase wallet, which I'm sure you already are. And if I want to swap, let's say if I want to swap, and it's already been, let's say I want to swap Elon, right? And say I want to swap it for SHIB, regular SHIB, because remember SHIB is worth this price. Elon is worth that. Well, actually, Elon's worth like hardly anything. So I have to go back to the coin, and I can approve it. I can approve this swap. Approve Elon. You know, I approve that. Confirm on my phone. I think is it Elon? I think it's Elon. And if I go approve it, and all I have to do is just click on approve right from the mobile device. That's it. That's all I got to do. It says confirm on the phone. I'm going to cancel that transaction. Now, if I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and swap SHIB. I'm going to do SHIB. That's just a prime example. I wanted to show you something where you have another asset trading for another asset. So this, I want to show SHIB for Bone. This is how you can get Bone. This is another way how you can get Bone. So you can type in your asset, or I'd like to just type it in if you don't see it. This is so cool. I'm telling you, this is really, really cool. So Bone right here. Make sure you don't take any of these bones. Make sure the bone looks like this emblem and it says ShibaSwap, because there's another bone out there, but that bone has nothing to do with ShibaSwap. Click on that bone there. Now, I still have some Shiba left in my Coinbase wallet and ShibaSwap, and I'm trying to get some bone. Now, if I do maximum, I can get 330 bone. Sounds good, right? I can get 330 bone. So what we're gonna do is let's do shall we do more? Okay, do bone. Let's do it. So we're gonna do half of this and we're gonna swap it. Okay, we're gonna swap this amount of SHIB for this amount of bone. Confirm, swap. So that's over 500 million, and you were getting 330 bone. Confirm, swap. Remember, it says confirm on phone. make sure I'm logged into my Coinbase wallet, and it's giving me, yep, see that? It's giving me the notification. It said it owes $15.98. I just got to confirm it. That's the information. There's a sheet. There is the information there. I just click, I'm clicking on the blue confirm there. From there, it's asking me my PIN. Make sure you know your PIN. Make sure you know your PIN. And then right there, woof, just one time, just one time. Sometimes it may take you twice, but it should only really take you one time. Close it. That's it. I close it there. Now from my phone, let's see, it says woof. Let's see here. Let me see. Should have worked there. I can go here and check it out. Swap this for Bone. See, this is how you can double check. Swap SHIB for Bone. Make sure you check your transactions and your Etherscan. And it already said it here. It's already went to success. I look at the success. The first thing I look at is success, and then I'll start looking at the other information as well. Make sure you see success, because that's what you want. You want success. So it's already done it. Now remember, I got Bone now. I just got Bone because I swapped SHIB for Bone. Now let's go ahead and bury that Bone. So I just got the Bone. And this is the tokens I have. It says 330. Remember, we just swapped it. And that's why I make sure you always add so much Ethereum in here. So I got enough Ethereum fees to cover this. And I'm doing this later at night where the fees are down. Fees are a little bit lower at night. A little bit lower at night. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and stake all this. I'm going to stake 330 of the Bone. Stake it, confirm on phone, little notification. $5, folks. $5. See that? $5. That's all it is. And click on confirm. I clicked on confirm. It's asking for my PIN. It's loading up. It's pending. So just it'll just take a minute. And by the way, everything is being updated on your Coinbase wallet. It says enter dog yard. Click on view on explore. Ethernet scam. Remember I said look for the green success. Look for the green success. We found it too. All right, so now your tokens is 0 here because we buried all of them, which is staking. We're trying to earn more rewards. And look at this, total buried is 472 Bone. And that's it. So now if I go back here, 472 buried. We have originally our 2 leash, and we have this many buried in terms of our Shiba. Very simple and very, very easy. So that is a more of a long-winded tutorial, step by step. I'll have more trainings that covers, fetch, Bone Folio, and Wolf will do the same thing. What I may do is do each of them just one video, very slow and very easy. Make sure you got it because we're a team. This is the SHIB Army. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. If you need to, watch this video over and over and over again. Make sure you have it. Make sure you connect it to your Coinbase wallet or your MetaMask. And remember, in the last video I showed you, in Coinbase wallet, there is a way you can check to make sure you're connected. And I've learned this. So you click on, you see that little button right there? Click there. It's like a little screwdriver circle. And you see Coinbase, you see wallet, and I'm connected. Shibswap. Shibswap. And how you find that is Coinbase. And then right below it says link. And all I gotta do is click there. Look at that. ShibaSwap. Just make sure you connect it. That's a little bit of a trick. I showed it in the last video. I just want to bring it back again. So don't forget, take it slow, very easy. If you have any questions or concern, put it in the comment line and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Let's go ahead and have some fun with ShibaSwap. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, take it really slow and very, very careful. I'll see you on the next video.